Hello everybody and welcome to my update test. Today we are quickly reviewing my new personal vacuum. It is a Miele Blizzard cx1 pets powerline. You may also call it the cat and dog. It is a decently sized, it is a very big machine, this, and it has a very big bin, but of course it carries tools on board. So with this you get the upholstery tool, and here you get the crevice tool for going into very thin places and around your skirtings. So, and then next, and they're all stored at the back here. Of course, it's got a 2-litre bin at the back. Other tools, we got the Miele Ecotech carpet floor nozzle. It is bigger than the original Ecotech that you get with the C backless cleaners, the C series. And this one has only one tool. When you really turn it on, you've got your brushes for the hard floor, and when you release it, you're on carpet mode. Like the trigger head tool on my Dyson, it's got a hose that connects to it. The tool, we've got this, which is the pet tool. It's called the Miele Turbo Tech nozzle. This one has a fan in there that controls these brushes, and on my first demonstration, these two specific tools worked well as a team. Finally, of course, the telescopic tube is more helpful than usual, because on the other way, on the Dyson, it got me hit. I keep having to hunch forward because it's a short in. Now the other thing is the final thing is the dusting brush. Dusting brush. When you press this button, it will slide down so you can go on all your you can vacuum very delicate stuff, and then you press it back in to get it back into place. Of course, between this vacuum cleaner, and the Dyson, it is more bigger, more easier to clean, more longer hose and longer cord, so you can clean about 2 meters extra. And up here you got your buttons. This is your core release, this is your on off button, and of course you got your suction controller there. Oh yeah, another thing on the Turbo Tech nozzle is that this has a brush bar control nozzle, but I preferred it to keep it high. I always prefer this to keep it maximum. So thank you for watching my update test, and I'll see you next time.